Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 1278 Pacific Avenue in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in East Petaluma with easy access to 101 and East and West Petaluma. Nice attached 2-car garage, lovely landscaping in the front and back of the home. Give you a view of the yard here, really lovely. This is a single-story home. So you come in and there's a nice entry closet. I'll go ahead and shut the door so you can get an idea of how quiet it is. There is a formal dining room. Nice kitchen with gas range. It's been updated. And there's an area right here that would be perfect for a small table. It's the 2-car garage with opener. So dining room, living room, access to the backyard. And this is such a lovely backyard. Covered patio, really sweet landscaping. Really lovely flowers, roses throughout the backyard. Really just a lovely setting. Nice sized living room. And we can go down the hall and see the bedrooms. So first bedroom faces the back of the house. Second bedroom faces the front of the home. This would be great office with that built-in shelving and desk area. Hall bath with tub and shower. This bedroom faces the front of the home. And the primary suite with a bathroom. So again, this is 1278 Pacific Avenue in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.